Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to use Affirm virtual card. So to use your Affirm's virtual card you have to add your virtual card to your digital wallet of your Affirm, then link your bank account to your Affirm, so it will be linked from there. Okay, so here we can see the steps. So you have to first do the e-sign in term and condition, all the process, then confirm your address and information correctly, then give your then enter a phone number, then a verification or a OTP will be requested, so you have to do that. Then you have to create a 4-digit password, then confirm the passcode, then you have to follow some additional verification in the app, so you will be able to use your virtual card. So from there we'll just get a card number. Okay, so here we can see a virtual card number. Here you can see it here. So here 24 hours it will be approved a Visa virtual card here, so you can just use, you can check out online, you can pay anywhere, credit card. Okay, this is how we can just do. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.